Freelancing Advice 101. If you are newbie in the freelance world and you are trying to get some projects as freelancer, you need to hear this one. Be aware of the scammers. There are lots of websites that publishing freelance works, like projects.co.id, Upwork, people per hour, freelance.com, and so on and so on and so on. Okay. Now, what is recently become the trend in those websites is hiring freelancers for doing interviews. How this works? They share a post. They say we have a company. We are doing this, that. We have many clients. We want to do the interviews with them. We do not need you to code anything for us. All we want you to do for us is to do the interviews and the technical interview for us. They all start with one keyword. We are a team. They never say we are alone. I'm just alone myself. I don't have time to do the client interviews, so I need help. No, they are always team. Mostly, they claim to be located in the United States or Canada and those areas. Then back and forth in the QAs, you will ask, okay, so I can do that for you. How do you plan to pay me? They do not claim to pay by the website that they publish actually their project. What they do, they say, we would like to pay you in advance, and this is the key, okay? We would like to pay you in advance, but because insufficient funds, we cannot do that. So what we are doing, we will do the project, we get the price, and from the profit, we can pay. This means you do the work for us, and we do the work, eventually we pay you. Red flag number 1. They do not have the photo or actual name in the website that they share their project. Red flag number 2. They do not want to pay by the website that they share their project, which is guaranteed your payment, and they have to put the money in the screw. So they actually prefer to pay you in other ways, like transferring it to your bank account or PayPal or any other Stripe. Red flag number 3. They always claim they are a team, but they do not have a website. They do not have any publication. They do not have any company registered in their name. You cannot find them anywhere. Red flag number 4. They want you to do the interviews under the fake name. They claim their customers that you have to interview, they prefer to communicate with someone from the US or the Canada or any other countries from the Europe. So therefore, you have to do with the fake name. Here is the catch. Your face might be all over the internet. During all these years, you make the LinkedIn profile, you make a website, you make the web likes, you record live streaming like me right now. And all of this, your face is all over the internet. So when you go to the interview for those fake companies and you do the fake name, what is actual your face in the webcam, it's very easy to search by Google Lens or any other search engine, any other application to match the name and the image, the result coming up. So you will be the one as facing a scammer, not them. Because obviously even you don't see their face, you don't know who you are chatting with. But the clients who will be scammed, who will lose the money, they all know your face. And you are the face scammer, not them. So you do the interview, the customer maybe approve, they transfer the money, they never get the project done, and your face is as the scammer one. Okay, so be aware of these scams when you are trying to do the freelance projects and avoid these kind of people. See you in the next video with more freelancing advice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow my accounts for more and share your comments. Share this video with your friends. Let them know. Save them from the scammers.